So guys, welcome back to McArthur Industries Group, here again on that sort of things over at Sandgate Auto Electrics and Automotive. So we're doing a lot of these fit outs still. We're coming through, we've got Easter coming up, and we're probably doing at the moment, with Easter coming up, we're doing a lot of fit outs with inverters, solar and battery systems, probably doing around about the 10 a week. And we just want everyone to realise what's out there in the marketplace. So if you've got, everyone sort of comes to us with a newer model van, or they think they don't want to upgrade their van. As you can see behind us, we've got a great customer of ours, Alan Dare. He's come through and he wanted to do a really good fit out on this system here because he wants something that's more comfortable for him and his wife for their touring, but he doesn't want to upgrade his caravan. He loves his caravan and wanted to put a bit of money into this instead of doing the changeover period and going higher in the price range in caravans and still getting the same sort of aspect. So I'm going to give you a bit of a run through inside of what we do. So before we get there, gone through, we run 280 watt solar panels on this from the drive. We've gone through, put a Cotec 2,500 watt inverter on this system here, put a few USB points going through. Client supplied his own battery, so supplied and fitted and wired that there. And also we've got some battery chargers and DC chargers. Got a Red Arc DC charger with this client as well, and running his solar through that using the MPPT side of the regulator for the Red Arc DC 1240. And also gone through, wired his vehicle up for fridge, put an AES fridge in it, wired that in as well. So he's put a bit of money into this, but he loves his van and he knows he wants to keep it for the next 5 to 10 years. So we're gonna go through and show you some of that stuff inside. So guys, as we spoke about, Alan's gone through, thought about what he wanted to do with his van, and he's just changed it up. And like I said, like, some people are out there wanting to realise what they can do in their older model vans. And we wanted to run you through a van like this today, which we do quite a lot of, where everyone's seeing these new sectors with all these new caravans coming through with 200 to 300 to 400s worth of lithium, anywhere between 400 to 800 watts of solar panel, to try and give him what you wanted. So this client of ours just wanted to have the comforts. He's gone through and just changed his fridge over. It's still got a 3-way fridge, but he wanted the AES so he didn't have to worry about switchability. He's also gone through, he's just changed up his microwave. He wanted to be able to run that on the road, which he never used to be able to with his wife. He also wanted to be able to give himself the availability. His wife's got a little NutriBullet, which he likes to eat out of. He wants to run that through the side and be able to use that. So that's why we've gone through, fitted the 2,500 watt inverter, put some solar up on his roof, run through that DC to DC charger, and what Sam's going to do is he'll run through also the older AC unit here, the 2,500 watt unit is running that as well. A bit higher draws, okay, than your normal new units with inverter driven units. So, but it does it and does what he wants to do. So we'll go through, Sam will take a few videos, but I'm just saying guys, don't always think about it has to be up here, has to be brand new. We can put a bit of money into those old girls and give all the relaxation that you want in the same van as what we need, okay, working forward into the newer vans. So thanks for your time. Reach out, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Heaps of good videos coming through this. Products, we want you to come down, put some comments, have a chat about what we can bring to you and what some of the questions we can do to give some visualization of different products to what they can do for you. So have a great day and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much, bye.